Okay, so okay, this is the composition or Insha book, and this is the another variety of Insha book. This is Maths formula book. Oh, this is a proverb book, and this is a Methali book, the English Kiswahili book, another Methali book, an English Kiswahili book, and we have this is the tips for English grammar C for grade 6, 7 and 8. You can just see what is inside. This is what is in the book. This is what is in the book. This is what is in the book, and you can just see the subtopics. As you can see basing on similes, twin words, idiomatic expressions, collective nouns, nouns denoting place sounds, feminine and masculine, comparative objectives, formative of objectives, these homes, punctuation, tense, direct and direct, commonly confused words, commonly misspelled words. You can, as you can see examples of similes. And if you wish to get the tips on English grammar, and I see the basics have been written here, you can just call on my WhatsApp number, or you can contact me in my Facebook account, as you can see. Finally, this is the English Swahili. You can get this book via email. If you are outside our borders, you can just email me, then I can send you this book. Okay, we are going to now solve the questions. So question number one states that 3 types of coffee, A, B and C, are mixed. The ratio 2:3:5 by mass. Type A coffee cost shilling 210 per kilogram. Type B shilling 160 per kilogram. And type C cost shilling 120 per kilogram. The blend is then sold at a profit of 30%. Determine the selling price of the blend per kilogram. 3 marks. So for this case, we are going to solve it as first step 1. We say the ratio is A is to B is to C, which is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. Step 2, the total ratio total ratio is given by 2 plus 5 plus 3. This is give the sum to 10. Step 3, you say type A is equivalent to 2 over 10 per kilogram, which is equal to 0.2 per kilogram. Type B is given by 3 over 10 per kilogram, or 3 over 10, which is equivalent to 0.3 per kilogram. And type C is 5 over 10 per kilogram, which is equivalent to 0.5 per kilogram. Step 4, total cost per kilogram. We say this is step 4, total cost per kilogram. Now for this case, say 1 kg of type A will be given by shillings, as shown there. This is shillings 210 times 0.2, which is equal to shillings 42, and 1 kg of type B is given by shilling 160 times 0.3, which gives us shilling 48, and 1 kilogram of type C gives us shillings 120 times 0.5, which will finally give us shilling 60. So we are going to find total cost per kilogram. Total cost per kilogram. This one will be given by the sum of this, and this will give us 150 shillings. 150. Okay, then we say step 5, percentage profit is given by profit over cost times 100%. So say percentage profit is given by profit over cost times 100%. Therefore, 30% of 100 is equal to profit of 150. By cross multiplying this, we get profit times 100 to brackets is equal to 30 times 150. Profit to brackets 100 is is equal to 4,500. Now, by dividing through by 100 to get profit, here we get profit is 45. Step 7, say, but we know that the selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Therefore, 150 plus 45, remember these are shillings, is equal to 195, and this is the answer. This is the answer for the question. This is the answer for the question. Please, if anyone would wish an assistance for any type of homework, let us communicate via my WhatsApp number, or direct message me your question, or you can just confirm by viewing my tutorial video in TikTok or YouTube. So we are in question 2. So we are now in question 2. Question 2 states that grade A type of sugar costs 75 shilling per kilogram and B costs 50 shilling per kilogram. Angela mixed the two grades and sold the mixture at shilling 72 per kilogram. By so doing, she made a profit of 20%. In what ratio did she mix them? 3 marks. So for this case, we say, step 1, we say ratio is equal to percentage profit given of 100% is equal to the unknown profit in shillings over given selling price of the mixture, minus unknown profit in shillings, or we can use the formula R is equal to percentage PG over 100. Remember, this is R over 100 is equal to UP over GSP minus UP, where this is selling price and this is profit. Okay, so for the case, we are going to say 20% of 100 is equal to profit over 72 minus profit. If you cross multiply this, we are going to get 100 to brackets P is equal to 20 into brackets 72 minus P. Getting this is 100P is equal to 1,440 minus 20P. Okay, here if you minus this, we are going to get 120 P, because this crosses equal sign and changes to addition. We say it's equal to 1440 by dividing both sides to get P by 120 by 120. This goes to 1, and if you divide, this is 120 by 120 is 1 by 120, you get 12. Therefore, our profit is 12. Profit is 12. Okay. Our profit is 12. Then we step 2. But we know the cost. But we know cost is given by. Cost is given by cost is equal to given selling price of the mixture minus profit. Therefore, cost is the same as 72 shillings minus 12 shillings, which gives us 60. This is the cost now. This is the cost. Step 3. We say let X be the quantity of grade A type of sugar and in the mixture, and 1 minus X be the mixture of grade B. 1 minus X be the mixture of grade B. Therefore, we say 75x plus 15 to brackets 1 minus X is equal to cost price, which is 60. Then we say 75x plus 50 into brackets x minus 1 is equal to 60. Okay, so then we say 75x plus 50x, 75x plus 50x minus 50 is equal to 60. I think 75x plus 50 to brackets x minus, this is 1 minus x, so this is 50 minus 50x. Therefore, this will give us 75x minus 50x plus 50 is equal to 60. This will give us 25x plus 50 is equal to 60. Now 25x plus 50, this is 25x since 50 is smaller than 60, it crosses equal sign and then minus, say 60 minus 50 we get 25 x is equal to 10. Now if you divide both sides by 25, here we get x is the same as 10 over 25. Divide both sides by 5. By 5, 5. By 5, 2. 2 over 5. Therefore, get 2 over 5 is equivalent to x. Hence, let's say that here we're going to extend our working as. Therefore, grade A type of sugar is 2 over 5. Hence, B will be 5 over 5, the whole fraction, minus 2 over 5, which is 3 over 5. And the ratio that Angela mixed the two types of sugar was 2:3. Was 2:3. We are going to take these values was 2:3. The ratio that Angela mixed the two types of sugar was 2:3, and this is the answer. This is the answer for question 2. See our working. See our working. Now we are going to question number 3. Question number 3 states that when he bought maize, maize and beans at shilling 20 per kilogram and 50 per kilogram respectively. She mixed them in the ratio such that after selling the mixture at shilling 39 per kilogram, she made a profit of 50%. Find the ratio in which she mixed them. 4 marks. So we are looking for ratio. So for this question, you say solution. Note that question number 2 and question number 3 are the same. Therefore, step 1, we say ratio is equivalent to percentage profit given of 100% is equal to unknown profit in shillings all over given selling price of the mixture, minus the unknown profit in shillings. So this is like it is like this. So this is unknown profit in shillings. This is the formula now. This is the formula, or we can shorten it as ratio is percentage given percentage profit of 100 is equals to okay. So step 1, we say 50% of 100% is equal to profit over 39 minus P. By cross multiplying this, you get 100 P is equal to 50 into brackets 39 minus P. 100P is equal to 1950 minus 50P. 100P plus 50P is equals to 1950. Now say 150, so we are going to continue it here. Say 150p over 100 is equal to 1950 over 115, both to get p. So this will give us by 151 by 150 13. So our profit is 13. This is 13 shillings. Profit. Step 2 say that we know that cost is given by given selling price of the mixture minus profit. Hence our given selling price is 39 minus profit, which is 30. This will give our cost to be 26. Step 3 will say that let X be the quantity of maize per kilogram and in the mixture, and 1 minus X be that of beans. Therefore we say X be the quantity of maize in the kilogram, X be the quantity of maize per kilogram in the mixture, and 1 minus X be that of beans in the mixture. Therefore say 20x plus 50 into brackets 1 minus X is equal to 26, which is the cost. Therefore say 20x plus 50 minus 50x is equal to 20. 20x minus 50x plus 50 is equal to 26. Now given this is x, 20x minus 50x, this is negative 30x plus 50 is equal to 26. Given this is negative 30x is equal to 26 minus 50. Now negative 30x is equal to 24. Here say negative 30x is equal to 24 divided by negative 30 on both sides. X is equal to 4 over 5. Therefore, beans per kilogram is, if the whole ratio is 5 over 5, as we can see here, minus 4 over 5, we are going to get that of beans will be 1 over 5 to complete the ratio. Therefore, we are going to look at our fraction. Since the first ratio was 4 and the second ratio was this, therefore our final ratio will be 4:1, and this is the answer. That is the answer. So question number 4. This is the last question. Remember, you can contact me on WhatsApp or this is Facebook or WhatsApp. So question number 4 states that the cost of manufacturing a car is divided into cost of material, labor, and other expenses in the ratio 5:2:1. In a certain year, the cost of material increased by 30%, the cost of labor increased by 40%, and other expenses decreased by 10%. Determine the percentage increase in the cost of manufacturing the car. 4 marks. So for this case, we say solution. Then step 1 say let x be the constant multiplier. Let x be the constant multiplier. Then step 2 say the ratio of material, labor, and expenses is given by, can be written as M, material, labor, and expenses, and this can be translated as 5:2:1, which is equivalent to x to brackets 5:2:1. Step 3, that is step 3. Now, okay, after multiplying this, we are going to get 5x is to 2x is to x. Step 3, the cost before increase. We are going to get the sum of this. Cost before increase is given by the sum of this, which is 5x plus 2x plus x, which this will give us 7/8x. Step 4, material increased by 30%. Step 4, material increased by 30%. Therefore, say 100%, 100% plus 30%, all over 100% times 5k. This gives us 6.5x, and labor increased by 40%. This is 100% plus 40 over 100 times 2x. This will give us 2.8x. And 3 other expenses decreased by 10%. This is 100% minus 10 over 100% times x. This will give us 90 over 100. This is x, which gives us 0.9x. Therefore, say we are in step 5. Now the total, now step 5, new total cost will give us, we are going to add 6.5, 2.8 and 0. This is 0.9. Get new cost. So 6.5x plus 2.8x plus 0.9x. This will give us 10.2x. Therefore, the percentage increase in manufacturing the car is given by new total cost minus cost before increase over cost before increase. Therefore, new total cost is this 10.2x minus cost before increase was, this was cost before increase was 8x over cost before increase over 8x. Then multiply the whole, multiply by 100%, which this, by using calculator, you get 27.5. You can round off, but this is the percentage and the answer expected to be. Kindly submit your homework. Once you need any assistance, contact me via my WhatsApp number 0707526372 or 0770482210. Begin +254 if you are outside our borders. You can submit your work via Facebook by checking my name. This is my Facebook account name. Thank you for your time.